Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the "this site can't be reached" error on your browser. These are quick, simple, and effective methods to get you back online. So without any delay, let's get started. Step 1. Disable Proxy Server. First, go to the search bar and type Internet Options. Open it. Now go to the Connections tab and click on LAN Settings. Here, make sure that Use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked, and the automatically detect settings is checked. Click OK, then Apply, and OK again. Check your browser and see if the issue is fixed. If not, let's continue. Step 2. Disable IPv6. Go to the search bar again and type Network Status. Open it and click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click your active network connection and select Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6, and uncheck it. Click OK and test your connection. If it's still not working, move to the next step. Step 3. Use Google DNS. Again, go to the search bar and type Network Status. Open it and click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click your network connection. Select Properties, and now choose Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Click on Properties. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Below that, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter. Preferred DNS. 8.8.8.8 Alternate DNS. 8.8.4.4. Click OK. When you're done, restart your computer and check if the error is gone. Try loading any website. If not, don't worry. We have one last method. Step 4. Network Reset. Click on Start and then Open Settings. Here you fill C, Network, and Internet options. Click on it, then scroll down and you will find Advanced Network Settings. Click on it. Scroll down and there you see Network Reset. Click Network Reset. Now choose Reset Now. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters. After the reset, restart your computer and check your browser again. All right, everyone. I hope one of these methods helped you fix the "this site can't be reached" error, and I'll see you in the next video.